Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 23rd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out the logical NOT operator. Now, the logical NOT operator reverses the truth value or the falsity of an expression or an operand. In simple words, if you have an if statement in your program, and if the if block of the if statement is being executed if the expression value is true, which obviously has to be the case, and if you precede the expression with the logical NOT operator, then the if block would not execute. So what I mean by that is, well, let me just show you what the logical NOT operator looks like and what it does in a program that will help you understand this thing in a much better way. So as you can see in the IDE, I have created a file that's called logical_not.c. On line 1, I have a comment. On line 2, I have put in the header file. On line 3, I've declared the main function. I also have my curly braces in place. So between these braces, we can type in our code. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a variable of integer type, and I'm going to call it x. I'll give it a value 5, right? And then I'm going to have a simple if statement, and the condition that this if statement is going to check is going to be x is greater than equal to 5. So if this is true, then we're going to do something, and what we're going to do is we're going to use printf to display a message on screen. And let me type in something random like hey there, what's up? Okay, random enough. And let's also have an else block, and of course the else block will execute if this test fails or if this expression evaluates to false, right? And we're going to have a printf statement in the else block as well. And let me print the weather is pretty cool. Okay, put an exclamation symbol at the end, and of course the semicolon has to go as the last character on that line to terminate the statement. So let me save this file, and when I click on build and run, you see that I get the output, hey there, what's up? And that's because this printf statement got executed, the one that's on line 8 within the if block, because the value of x is 5, and the test condition that we have, that is x is greater than equal to 5, would evaluate to true because x is equal to 5. And if I suppose want to see this message on screen, the one that is enclosed within double quotes in the printf statement on line 12, the printf in the else block, then either I would have to change the value of x so that the condition fails, like I'll have to change the value of x to 2. If I save the file now, let me close this output window so that I can run the program again. I click on build and run, and now I see that the weather is pretty cool. But let's say the value of x stays 5, but I still want the else block to be executed even though the test condition evaluates to true. What would I have to do that? So that's where you use your logical NOT operator. So it's pretty simple. It's the exclamation symbol. That's all it is. You know, like the AND operator, you had to use 2 ampersand symbols. With the OR operator, you had to use 2 pipe symbols. The logical NOT operator is just single exclamation mark, right? That's all it is. So I'll put the expression within parentheses, and that's just to make things neat. It's not going to have any effect on the execution of the program. And let me save this file, and let me close this output window. And I see now that the string "the weather is pretty cool" is being displayed, right? So that's despite the fact that the value of x is 5, and if I would have not had this logical NOT operator here, then this condition would have evaluated true, which it does actually. It's just that the logical NOT operator reverses the truth value of this expression, so you know the entire thing within the parentheses of the if statement evaluates to false, right? So the if block fails and the else block executes. So that's what the logical NOT operator does. Now, this isn't the best example that I could have thought of to explain the logical NOT operator to you, but I didn't really put much effort in thinking about how I should get across the logical NOT operator, because it's something that you won't use much. You won't rely on it for sure as a C programmer, and the and OR operators you would be using more often because you know they really help you construct complex conditions, but the logical NOT operator is seldom used. I made a tutorial on it because it's something that's provided in most programming languages, so you should at least know what it is and how it looks like and what it does. right? So that's it for now. In the next tutorial, we're going to check out something interesting, of course. So stay tuned for updates, and please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and have a nice day.